Hi everyone, this is Adelaide from George Metal and Glass Department. Today I want to introduce you the moving partition. Moving partition is used to separate the space and is popular in the hotel, meeting room and houses. Please enjoy the view inside. When you are inside, you can feel the quiet. And there is the door so that it's more convenient to go in or out. And you can see the track on the top. This track can be flexible to your house side. If there is an angle in your house, so that we can make the angle here. And flow all the partitions to one side. As you can see here, there are all the accessories of the moving partition. And this one is the track of the ceiling. And you can see this one used for the use of the aluminum. And this one used the double layer so that it is more strong. And you can see the wheel here. It used double wheel so that it is more easy to move the panel. This glass wood can make some insulation effect, and it is more lightweight so that the panel is more light. And this is the craft shaft. This one is made by the 304 stainless steel so that it can use for many years. And this one is also the handle, also made by the 304 stainless steel. And here you can see how I lock this one. Now this panel cannot move.